Okay, in custom mode, 18 inches from my face, we're going to do on the little rock pile here. We found a little blower over here. Actually, I found a handful of them. But this will do. See, there's another one like this. So we're going to grab that little guy. And for a little piece, there's 6 inches right there. That's 6 inches. Oops. Okay, so from 6 inches, we'll go out to about 1 foot. This is on the custom mode. Okay, then out to about 18 inches. Okay. Okay, while we're at it, we'll grab this little guy over here and start to fill up these. There's that other little blower. About 6 inches, about 1 foot, and out to about 18 inches.
Okay, this is at 2.7, 60 frames per second, 18 inches from subject. And I'm picking it up, and that is an absolute beauty.
That's like 4 inches. It's not even 6 inches. At least 6
That's 6 inches, and that's 1 foot.
So these are just the agates before we did the turn. Look at those. Look at that red one there. Nice. Look at that thing. That's a beauty, and then this big bad guy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now my honey's fixing to go. Look at that. Nice big animal. Cool. That's before we get to turn the pile. Baby's going to get the big tractor and turn the pile. Look at that pretty cook here. There's my happy camper. Woohoo, baby. Go, baby, go. So here we go, up to the top of the bucket. See, it says there's one right up on top. Oh yeah, and check this guy out, right? Wow, that's nice. We'll just take a look at that big sucker. That is not nice. Look at the sparkles in that. Wow! Hey baby, check this out. Oh, there's another one right there. Look at that.
Awesome.
Look at the
That is
sparkles
amazing.
in it.
That's nice with an N, not a G. Whoo-wee!
Yeah. Cool. And then the second one, A little white agate. I don't know. It's pretty to me. Looks pretty good to me. Yep.
Okay, we're on 2.7K, 60 frames per second, about 24 inches from the subject. And now we're about, oh my God, look at that. And now we're about 4 inches and 6 inches and a foot. Okay. Okay, this is cinematic 4K video. Will you look at that one? Is not a beauty? Can you see it just glowing? How
many
absolutely
inches are you
beautiful.
About 6 inches, 8
About
inches.
6 inches.
And pick it up and do the same thing and call out what inches you are from it, if you would.
I'm about 6 inches and it's framed. That's about a foot. Or at least that's what I've been told all my life. And there is about a foot. And that's probably not 6 inches, but that's what I've been told.
That's about 6 inches. That's about a foot. So I'll spin it around a little. Look at the lines in there.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Nice. Right, then we'll go out to about 18 inches.
There, it's framed in the grid.
Okay.
And we're at 4K.
Okay, final tally. Look at this. Look at some of these. Holy cow. So nice. Look at this. Big old pocket. When it dries, it's very troidal. There's a bunch of grooves in it. Nice. This big old yellow one here. Big sucker. This guy is one of my favorites. Got water level lines in it. So if I turn it a little bit, you can see that. Of course, and you can see right through it. And this big guy, this is kind of cool. Not even sure what it is. Pretty cool. And this one, look at that. See all the quartz in it? All the white streaks. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's beautiful. Man, just scored today. And of course it helped that we got to turn the pile over with the help of my awesome buddy and my best friend CJ Ballard. But look at that big one. Wow. Nice. Just a score day, man. Just a score day. Look at that. Tried wood. Wow, big green one back there. Look at that one. Just a score. Look at that thing. So nice. Not all the littles. I'll take it up a little so you can see them. Score out for us today. And then this guy. This one's freaking amazing here. Look at that. And then the last of all. Let's see if I can get this to where you can see it. You see the color in that? It's kind of hard. The sun is pretty harsh. Out there is precious opal in there.